Yeah,
Yeah.
it's on.
Yes,
We
sir.
are recording. Okay. So once it is over, once the class is over, we can upload that into Dropbox so that you can see them. So there is
Okay,
a
sir.
mistake, Aloka, here. The mistake is other than bomb, I do not see recipe group. There is no master recipe. You see this? The master recipe group is not there. Okay. And that means
Mm,
there is some issue with the master data. Okay.
yeah. Yeah.
So, and if you come to this screen, which is, okay,
Yeah. The components of
no
bomb.
problem. So you came to components. Components is nothing but BOM, right?
Yes, sir.
But we need to see the master recipe. I don't see master recipe. Okay. So, but still we can go back, green arrow back,
Yes, sir.
and just and click on operations. On top, you have a tab called operations on top, above PI01, above PI01.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
No, no, not steps, operations.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So really, what the system did is, since there is no proper master recipe, it created a first operation all by itself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, and also we don't have a work center there. You see the resource is empty. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
So that is not correct.
So shall I add it now?
No, usually we don't add. We want to make sure that
It
the
will. The
the
master
master
data
recipe is
team
proper. Okay, but
takes it. Yeah.
for now you can go to drop down and pick a processing unit category. Um, the category is 0088.
This one, sir.
Blender, yeah. So, yes, Blender.
Yeah.
Okay.
Render one.
And now, yeah, correct. Now hit enter. That's going to bring that information for us based on the resource. Okay, very good. Now, in this case, what I was telling you is before you save it, if you want to do the capacity check, you can do the capacity check. You can do the material availability. Yeah,
Yeah.
that is capacity check. That means at the blender, do we have the capacity?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so hit enter. Yeah, we have capacity. And input components availability. Click on material availability. So to make this
Yeah. So all materials are there. So we.
yellow paint in cans, we need,
Yeah.
so they're all there, correct? And then next
Yes,
to
sir.
that, you have a calculator. If you click on that calculator, it's going to,
Which one, sir? Ah, this one. Yeah.
no, yeah, that is the calculator. So it's going to determine the cost associated with this work order or process order. Click on that.
Process order.
Mhm.
So that will be required for posting and all those things, I guess,
Correct,
sir.
correct, correct. So if there are some issues in the casting, we'll come to know here itself. It's going to say there are some issues and the log is created, you see. So there are no issues, okay.
Cost
But
determined.
you can also
Where I can see the cost, sir, for this?
cost,
Yes.
you can see the cost, just click on either go to, click on go to, um,
Cost.
yeah, cost analysis. The material cost, basically the
Yeah.
cost
How
estimated.
much is
Okay,
the total one?
goods,
Yeah.
basically it's It's also has given you overhead cost, which is nothing but your utilities, man hour, mission hours. Okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Let's go green arrow back. Click on green arrow back. And now you can do the scheduling again. The icon in front of calculator is scheduling. Schedule the order, when to make it.
Icon and this one, sir.
No, 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 that one, correct.
What does the schedule the order
Schedule,
will do, sir?
schedule of when do you want to start and when do you want to end, when do you
Okay, so
want
it
to
will
release.
basically
Yeah,
determine the dates.
correct. So there are some basic dates. You can see them. Once you click on that, I'm going to show you those dates.
Yeah,
Okay, click on that. Very good. So if you go one arrow back, you can see the dates. You just go one arrow back. It will be on the very first screen, general
general data.
data. Yeah.
Yeah. So
These
it
are the
has,
dates. Schedule, you see the schedule. Schedule of start date is 28th, and schedule of end date is again 28th with with those times and all that, you know.
yes, sir.
Okay, so those are the dates what we are talking, the scheduling dates. Now you can go ahead and release it, release the
Directly.
process
Uh,
order. The
I will
green
save
flag.
and then release, sir, or
Yeah, you can release and save it, or you can.
okay, I'm
In,
saving it
yeah,
first and then I'll release it.
yeah.
Because
Usually
it will
we
keep the
we
number because it's
yeah, we don't
still
release it immediately. You are right. There is a reason for that, because
yeah. Hmm.
if you release it, the shop floor traveler, the document that is going to be printed,
Yeah.
will be printed, and you really don't know. Sometimes there may be some float dates, buffer time before
Yes,
you
sir.
release it,
Yeah.
because you want to make sure that all the input components are staged in the shop floor near to the workplace, and you want to make sure that there is enough buffer time given to shop floor people to start the work. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
another reason is, once you release your process order, the
Yes, sir.
reservations will be created for input components. There will be a reservation for the input components that you are going to utilize in this process order.
But where I can see that, sir?
Yeah, you can see them. I'm going to show you that. Now you have released it, right? Did you release it?
No, I
No.
have just saved it.
Saved it.
So
Okay,
I'll
let us go
go
to
to
change
change and
and enter,
then what I will do is I will
release it.
release. So because I have not worked on process orders before. I have worked on production orders.
Yeah, process
So it will
orders are a little different.
yeah.
There is more
With Ericsson, they don't use process orders. They only
release
use this
rejected.
production orders.
So your release is not taken. Could you please double click on that line? It did not release. Double click on that line, and we can see is rejected. Okay, so let us go to the logs and see the logs. Okay, on change itself, you have logs. Log upon release.
Which
Show
one, sir?
release. Second one, release. Okay. So here it might show you some. Okay, there are four errors, right? And
Yes, sir.
next to the errors, you have a paper thingy. You click on that. Four error messages. Those are informations.
Yeah.
Those are informations are not going to be harmful, but error messages are harmful.
Yes, sir. You
Okay,
must
so you
enter.
must enter the batch for material. So you have three different materials which are batch managed: 130 200, 220.
220, yeah.
So we did not put the batches for them.
So now I have to go to the BOM and see each material
No, no,
and
no. You don't have to go to the BOM. You go to process order. In the process order, we can fix it. Go to process orders, change process order, change because we need to fix it.
because
It
I am
has to be
processing it
changed.
now. I have to go back.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you are in right place. Click on material. On next to the operation, you have materials. You see, that's the
Mm,
BOM, the material icon, hierarchy icon next to the operations. Not that one. This is a display. You go back. I'm talking about icon at the top.
yes, sir. I'm going there. Okay, operations. I have to go
Yeah,
there.
so that is not operations. Next to operations, you have a material
Yes, sir.
that's hierarchy, that is the BOM. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here you can see against to 130, the batch is in white color. You see that white color batch that is empty.
Y
300-130,
300-1. Yes, sir.
130 is
Yes,
the
sir.
batch number. Is batch
Yeah,
number is
batch is
empty.
empty. Yeah.
Empty. Go to drop down and okay, one back arrow, please. Back arrow, green arrow
Yes, sir.
back. Okay, now click on the batch for material. Batch for
Batch
material.
for material.
Batches
Yeah.
for plant material or
Yeah.
batches for material. Okay,
Material.
enter. So this will take you to the place where you can see the batches. So these are all the batches. Okay, but which one has got C2? Okay, which one has got stock? We don't know. Okay, there is one more 300-150 is also batch managed, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the storage location also empty. If there is no storage location, the system cannot find out, correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So not only batch, we also have to enter. Yeah, we need to make sure that we have batch number. We need to make sure that we have storage location, correct?
Yes,
So
sir. Do I need to give it for 160 as well, sir?
we'll do one thing, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll fix these in a better manner, okay? Let us fix this in a better manner. Hmm? So you can just save it and come out. I'll tell you how to fix them permanently, okay? So fixing in transaction data
Mm-hmm.
versus fixing in master data, because the transaction data is process order and
Yes,
the
sir.
process order is getting information from master data.
Yeah.
Master data is BOM, work center, master recipe, correct? So
Yes, sir.
we'll fix that first, okay? So let's
Yeah.
go fixing one by one. Let us fix the BOM
Zero there.
CS02 is the change BOM
Yes, sir.
slash n CS02, okay? Y dash 300 is your yellow, uh, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yep, enter. Okay, it's only a warning message. You can ignore it. Okay, you have two. One is alternate one. The other one is 96. Select the very first one. Double click on
Sir, sorry
very first
to
one.
interrupt. What does this alternative bomb does?
Yeah,
What is the
because you have one route. And you also have another alternative to reach your home, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So similarly, you have one set of input components to make this yellow paint, and you also have different set of input ingredients to make the same thing.
Okay,
So you
so
have coffee. You make coffee with milk and sugar,
yes, sir.
and you also have another alternate, which is milk and sweetener, and you have also third alternative, skim milk with sweetener.
Yeah.
Okay, you have another alternative, soya soya beans milk and sugar. So
Yeah.
it is basically alternative set of ingredients to make your finished product is called alternative one. Okay, so
Yeah.
let us say take the first one, double click on the very first one,
One, sir.
one line, yeah, double click. Okay, on the screen you have seen many components, right? So
Yes, sir.
select all the components. Yeah, you have an icon which is select all icon that will select everything. Okay, you have selected all input components. Now click on top menu. You have go to. There is a top
Yes,
menu,
sir.
go to item,
Yes, sir.
item. Click on
Yes,
item.
sir.
Okay. So over here we will default the storage location. Okay. How do I do that? You are in basic data. Click on status long text, the second tab,
Yes, sir.
status long text. Okay. Over here, if you come down, production storage location, you see production prod store location. All the way
Mm,
down on your right hand side, there is a
yes, sir.
prod. Yeah. Go to drop down and you are defaulting the storage location. Okay. Very good. And click on next arrow, next next screen arrow. Yeah. So for 120 input component 300-120, do the same thing. Default the storage location.
Okay.
Okay. And keep doing it for all the materials because that
Yeah.
is not being done. As a result, okay, this is not a stock item. Okay. Click next.
He's asking some text, I
Okay,
think.
yeah, you can. Yep.
I think I have to do this
Yeah,
production.
these are actually, yeah, this is 130. Okay. You see, you have two options, two storage locations. Okay. And keep doing that, please. Because some of your components are text items,
Yes,
so
sir.
they're not stock items.
Yeah. So this fundamentals, I think I will. I'll
It
ask
is
Illusion
very
that.
important because those guys did not do this.
Yeah.
When I say those guys, the person who created the master data. So if this is not fixed, every process order will have that issue.
Yes,
So
sir.
instead of fixing every process order, you better fix your master data. So that way you do not have to.
Sir, you have this the training company is that you give
SAP
such,
CV. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, where I sent the mail. I thought I never imagined that you will reply to those mail because
Oh no, I'm very prompt on emails. Very
no,
prompt.
actually, generally, I mean, some people, I mean, who
Yeah,
takes
yeah,
care of
yeah.
the training
And
institute and all.
also, I love training. That's not only it's a question of money. For me, it is I love training. I love teaching. That's the reason. I have really soft corner to Stockholm. For some reason, I
Uh-huh,
could
okay.
not make it. I could not make it successful with that gentleman, Nirav Bakar. Yeah, you can save it now. Okay. So what we did is we fixed our bomb. Okay. So
Yeah.
there is one more thing we need to do. That is fixing our master recipe because master recipe group number. Okay. I haven't seen the group number. I need the group number. Okay. So why do I need group number? I'm going to link the group number with the lot size with the production version. Okay. So I'm
Yeah.
also going to show you that. So this part is over, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
The next part is fixing master recipe. The transaction code is slash n C202. C202
Oh, this is
slash
English
n.
keyboard. Just a minute, sir,
No
because I
problem.
need to change it to Swedish keyboard. Uh, Come
C
again, sir?
200
Yeah.
C like cat 202.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. So over here we don't know the group number, so we know the material number Y dash 300. We know the plant. Put the plant and the material.
Mm-hmm.
No, not here. A little above. Yeah. Material is Y dash.
I will copy it from here, sir. By dash
Yeah,
300
Y dash 300.
is 1100, 200.
Okay.
Okay, what I understand, sir, in PP, bombs and routings. Instead of that, in PPPI, it's called recipe, right, sir?
Correct. Actually, recipe itself has got bomb inside.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the reason why the system told you when you are trying to change bomb, it was telling you, gentlemen,
Yeah.
you don't change anything in the bomb. You go to your master recipe. From there, you please change it. That was a warning message. It's not a hardcore error. So we ignored it and we went ahead and did the changes, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you notice that?
Yes,
So
sir.
in reality, in PPPI, the master recipe has got a bomb inside that is
Yeah.
called material list. They don't call bomb, but it is called material list. Okay,
Yeah.
that's the difference. Oh, here you put the plant and everything, right? Then you see one, two, three. There are three groups, and the first group has got one, two, three, four master recipes. Okay, so let's
Yeah.
select the very first one. The first, double click on the first one.
This one, sir?
Yes, yes, please. Double click.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this this one is not picked up. If you take a look at this master recipe, it has got a resource called R underscore 111. You see that there are many operations, not just one operation. So
Yes,
the
sir.
reason for that is the recipe group colors COLORS, that's the recipe group,
Mm-hmm.
and the recipe number, which is number one. These two are not maintained in production version. So we'll fix that. Okay. How do we fix it? Let us go to production version. You can fix it through a work scheduling view. Okay. So take me to the header data. I want to show you recipe header. You see the recipe header right there, the first tab.
Yes, sir.
No, not the top menu.
Ah, yeah,
Yeah.
I got it, sir.
Okay. That's called header. In the header, you see one important thing: the lot size. Lot size is from 100 to 100,000.
Where's okay?
Lot size is from 100 to 100,000. Okay.
But this is charge quantity range.
Correct. Charge quantity is nothing but when you are using your vessel, maybe a melting furnace or a blender.
So, but sorry to ask you, sir, but what does a lot size do actually? Is it
Because you have vessels. Let us imagine you are cooking rice. Okay.
yes, sir.
You have small cooker, bigger cooker. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you have so many relatives and you want to use a bigger cooker where minimum is 100 kilograms of rice,
Yes,
you
sir.
can you can from 100 to 100,000 kilograms of rice you can you can charge. And you have another cooker. That cooker is only from 1 kilogram to 100 kilograms. If it is beyond 100 kilograms, you cannot use that vessel, that work center.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why you have different production versions. You have different recipe numbers, one, two, three. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is the reason. The charging quantity is nothing but operation quantity, operational quantity, not the base quantity.
Okay.
Operation quantity. If you create a master recipe to make 100 kilograms, then system will take this one, not the other one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
other one will be for 1 to 100. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is good. So if you don't want to, if you want to make changes here, you can also just remove one zero from there. That way it becomes 10 to 100. Okay. Sorry, 10 to 100,000. But in this case, we can keep it as is, which is 100. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
100 is minimum quantity. 100,000 is maximum quantity. This is for which one? For
This is
one only, counter one. And what is the group? Colors. So colors has
yes, sir.
got another counters also. Yes, there is four more, one, four, 5, 99s. I have seen them. So, but we are
Mm-hmm.
talking about group
Only
colors,
one. Yeah.
counter one. Okay, group and
Sir,
counter.
can I just go back to the previous screen just a minute, just
Yeah,
to
yeah. You can
understand
first
my.
you will save this and yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah.
Operations, if you click on operations, you can go to the previous screen. Yeah, this is the previous screen.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now we need to fix it. We haven't fixed it. We only got information from here saying that group group name is colors, COLORS. Counter is number one. Okay, and we also know the lot size from 100 to 100,000. Remember, these are the three key information which you need when we go and fix production version. Okay, let's come out. Yeah, you can go back and go to change material master MM02. Enter. Select only work scheduling view, just work scheduling view.
Yes, sir.
1100 is the plant. Click on production version. There is a tab above the batch management. You have production version tab in the middle. Come down, please. Now on the same screen, same screen.
Oh, on the same screen. Okay.
Yeah, middle, somewhere in the middle. On your right hand side,
Production
production.
version, batch management. Yeah.
Yeah, above that you have production version. We want to go to production version.
Yeah. So
Okay.
production version, what does it do actually? I mean,
See, one version is make your coffee
mm-hmm.
with the dark roast
Yeah.
coffee powder.
Yeah.
Make your coffee with hazelnut. That's
Yeah.
version two. Okay.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah. Now I understood, sir. I mean,
okay.
yeah.
So the first one we are talking about 0001, right?
Yes, sir.
So now click on details. All the way down you have details. Okay. In the details, okay, your lot size, you see the lot size?
Mm-hmm.
Lot size is wrong. So change that lot size to 100, from 100 to 100,000 from lot
100.
size.
Yeah.
That is wrong. 100, and this should be 100,000.
One, two, three. Okay.
Very good. Okay, 100. Okay, not only that, but also what is the other one? Okay,
It's
you can
showing the
say
warning, sir.
it's only warning. Just click on that green tick mark.
Yeah.
Okay, click.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sir, just a minute. I am running out of my charge, so I need to find my charger.
okay, no problem.
Give me 2 minutes, sir. I'm
Okay,
just.
no problem.
Yes, sir. I'm back.
Okay. So go back to details again. Okay. So here you changed it. Okay. There is a check. If you see check, you click on that check.
Which one, sir?
CHECK check.
Checks, check
No,
start.
no, not check start. There is a tab called check. Yellow.
Yes, sir.
Click on that, please. Okay. So you close this one. Top. There is a blue blue cross. Click on the blue
Sir.
cross. There is a red cross and blue cross, right? If you click on the red cross, it is going to cancel it. We don't want to do that. No. The one above that.
Okay, okay.
Click that. So you see here, there is an issue. It is saying the bomb, alternate bomb is wrong. Bomb uses alternate bomb. That is, there is something wrong with the bomb. So let us go and take a look at that alternate bomb. Go to alternate bomb. Go to drop down of alternative bomb.
Yes, sir. And
Go
what
to
is
drop down.
one?
Okay. So you select the number one, but if you select number one, please. Okay. And it is saying there is something wrong with the bomb. You see that?
Yeah, it is red.
The problem bomb. Okay. So let us do one more thing. Go to alternative bomb and see what other options you have.
Okay. Because there are two, so let's select the 95 one. Uses one. This one, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, could you please click on the check? We need to check it whether the same check what you did last time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's going to okay. You see this date of production version. Okay, there's something wrong with the date. Okay, now close that. Close it and see. And it is saying again there's something wrong with the. Actually, once you put that information, it was saying something to do with the dates. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
so validity from 1995 to something, right? So it was talking about the validity of the dates. Okay, I could not
Sir.
see that very well. Uh,
1995 till yeah, at a endless date. I
yeah,
mean 31/12.
yes, you try one more time. You change alternative bomb to number one. Change alternative bomb to number one. Okay,
Sir. Sir.
and now uh, click on. You read that date of production version does not match
The
alternative bomb.
alternative.
So date of production version date what you have given 95 to whatever date, that date is not matching with the bomb creation date. Okay,
Sir.
so
Sir.
we'll fix that. Okay, say
No, but that is just a warning, sir.
it's a warning. Okay, click on that, please. Okay, continue, continue. There's a
Yes,
continue
sir.
button.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can save. You can save. Okay, so we made some changes. We made some changes to the master data
Sir.
after creating a production process order, correct?
Sir.
So in order to reflect these changes, we need to reread master data.
Master data in the process order.
Correct. So let us go to process order, change process order.
We have the option over here, I think. Read master data.
No, not create. First we'll go to the
Functions.
functions, read,
Read master data. Yeah.
correct.
Because I remember, sir, in production order when we release it and we want it back again. So I used to always do this read master data again
Correct.
because what as a developer, what I was developing a workflow that will trigger automatically when we release a production order, and it will go to the subfloor system. So for my own testing, I was involved in that,
Very good. So please click on post read data, read master data.
sir.
So it is asking you, you are asking me to read the product for production version and the
Sir.
explosion date. That's all good. Click on green tick mark, green tick mark. Okay.
The production version is not valid. Why does it says this?
The because of the dates, I guess. Yeah. Click again.
Sir.
Okay. So okay, we'll do one more thing. Let us go to master data, the tab, master data tab.
Master data. Yes, sir.
Mhm. And go to production version. Click on that icon. Okay. Go to drop down and see what options you have. Do we have production version 2? Go to drop down.
No, sir.
No, we don't have any options.
No, sir.
Okay. So I think there should be three zeros, not production
Yes, sir.
version. Yeah, 0001. Okay. Then new master recipe, today's date, and the bill of materials. Change the bill of materials date. Okay. Change the
Shall I
date
change
to,
it, sir?
yeah, you can change that date to
Okay.
older date, right? What was the date it was showing on the screen? Some 1995.
20, 30. We can check that, sir.
Okay.
Hmm, okay. 30 and 27.
Not this date. I'm talking about the bomb date. Creation of bomb CS03, or it's asking for the bomb. Date of
Yes.
creation of bomb. Date of creation of bomb is in CS03. Yeah, 1995. It is 09/05/1995. That's the date. So you
So shall
put
I
that
put
date.
that date, sir?
Yeah, you put that date. If you're still saying your production version is not. Okay, we'll do one thing. So instead of doing this one, we can always create our own material. Okay, so
Sir,
let's create our own material, and we'll go from there. Let's create a material mm01. You can copy from y-300. So let's create a material mm01.
sir, I just left it.
Okay, and put y-300. It will tell you, if you put y-300, it will tell you what industry sector. Y-300. Enter. So it's a
Chemical.
chemical industry finished. Okay,
Sir,
now remove that y-300 and put your own name, whatever name you want, and copy from. In the copy from, you put y-300. Copy from material. So that way we'll be creating similar material, but our own material. Okay. Okay. Enter. Select all. Select all the materials, all the views.
sir,
Enter. Okay. We are copying from 1100 to 1100. 1100.
shall I put it here, sir?
Yeah. Yeah. You can also. Yeah. 1100. Correct. 1100. And storage location 001. Three zeros, one. Sorry, one more zero. I'm sorry. Zero
Sir,
zero one. And sales organization 1000. Distribution channel 10. There is no warehouse. And same thing on. And also we have to double check on the other side also, the left hand side and right hand side. Same thing, 1100 storage location, the other side.
okay, sir.
Okay, 1100. Okay, enter. No warehouse. Let's not. Okay. So instead of yellow paint, you put Aloca paint.
Insert, insert. Sir,
Okay. And enter. We'll keep enter again. So we'll keep going one by one.
yeah, oh, one by one it will copy.
Mhm. Next screen. Next screen. Click on next screen. Okay. Very good. Enter. Yeah, it's asking the tax code 111. You type one. One for Argentina, one for China, one for Germany.
Okay, okay. So everywhere it will go.
Everywhere, one means you pay tax, zero means you don't pay tax.
Uh-huh. Okay, full tax.
Yeah, one is tax, zero is no tax. Enter, enter,
Sir,
enter. Very good. Enter, enter. The tick mark. Click on the green tick mark on top.
which one, sir?
There is a green tick mark all the way top. Under material,
Green
there is a
tick.
green color
No,
tick.
I think it is saying it is.
Enter. Enter you are hitting on your keyboard,
This
right?
one, sir, additional data?
No, 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 not additional data, sir. In order to go to the next screen, simply click on the green tick mark on your top left side corner in front of Hello, 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 hello.